Hello and welcome to another installment of Nexus Digital's Marketing Minute. My name is Brady, and in today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of verifying your domain through Facebook's Business Manager as a result of the new Apple iOS update. With that said, let's get started. Okay, so after you've logged into your Facebook Business Manager account, you're going to be brought to your home screen. You're going to want to go to the hamburger menu in the left-hand side to open up all your tools. And then in the shortcuts section here, you're going to select Business Settings. And from the menu along the left-hand side, you're going to scroll down to Brand Safety, and you're going to select Domains. Now your page is going to look a little bit different, but I'm going to put a screenshot up for you. Yours will more than likely say that your Facebook Business Manager account doesn't have any domains, and there's just going to be a blue button that says Add, similar to this one. You're just going to click on that button, and you're going to type in the name of your website. Put nexusdigitaltesting.co in here, and then you're just going to click the blue button to add, and right away it's going to create a section for you with the ID, and you're going to see it's not verified yet, and that's what we're going to do, obviously. And there's 3 different ways to verify your account. I'm going to show you the meta tag and how to add a little bit of source code to your website. It's the easiest and fastest one to do, and once you kind of put it on your website, it automatically verifies your site, where some of the other options, which are the DNX text record through your domain registrar, or your uploading an HTML file to your root directory, those can take up to 72 hours potentially to verify, and you may not have access or the ability to use those methods. Whereas as long as you have access to your website, it's quick, simple to add this meta tag. So we're going to highlight that, and it's very simple. All you need to do is click and copy that. And then I'm going to show you 2 different ways to verify through your website. We're going to first look at doing so on a Shopify account, and then we're going to look at one on maybe WordPress or Wix or something of that nature. Okay, so after you've copied that meta tag from your Facebook Business Manager, you're going to go to your home, or you're going to log into your Shopify account, and it'll bring you to your home screen. What you're going to do is just kind of go onto your menu from the left side. It's going to say Online Store. You're going to click on that, and it's going to open your theme section. You're going to scroll over to the middle section and just click on Actions and go down to Edit Code. And it's going to bring up your theme section. What we want to do is go into your layout or your theme liquid section. And it's highlighted here so you can see we're on it. And here's where you're going to have your header section right there. And since I've already loaded the domain verification, I can't take it out because obviously it's being used. But here's the line where I've kind of put it in. Okay. And it's just in the it's a meta tag, so it just goes under the header section, and that is on your homepage, and that's it. You're gonna just paste that link in there, or that bit of snippet of code, and then after it's in there, you're just gonna be able to go up to this section here and click Save. It's that easy. Okay, now alternatively, if you're using a different website platform other than Shopify, you're using something like Squarespace, Wix, GoDaddy, or WordPress or something of that nature, the integration is relatively all the same. So in this example, I'm just going to run through something on WordPress. And first thing you're going to do is kind of install a plugin if you don't already have one for header and footers and stuff like that. Just makes it really simple and easy to do. And there's so many of them out there. For this particular client, we happen to be using the head, footer, and post injections. So what you're going to do is just kind of install it and activate it. And then from the left-hand side of your menu, you're just going to go to your settings section, find the header and footer. And in this section here, and one of the reasons why I like this plugin is it allows you to kind of insert code on every page or just on certain pages of your home page or mobile desktop, things of that nature. So in this instance, we only need to verify the Facebook domain or use the Facebook domain verification on the home page. So you're going to take that snippet of code, that meta tag, and you're just going to paste it in to this section here and click save. And you're done. Okay, so after you've added your meta tag to your website, either through Shopify, Wix, WordPress, GoDaddy, Squarespace, whatever you happen to use, you're going to go back into your Facebook Business Manager. You're going to go into your brand safety section, go back into domains, and you're going to find that domain that you've added. It's still going to show as not verified, and it's going to have it be highlighted in red. All you're going to do is go down to the green button that says Verify Domain. And after a couple seconds, it's going to load up and it's going to switch from red to green and showing you that your account has been verified. And there you go. You've successfully verified your domain using Facebook's Business Manager, and you're ready to move on to the next phase, which is using the Facebook Aggregate Measurement tool to prioritize your events and your conversions as a result of the iOS update. Now, we'll save that for another video, so please feel free to visit us online at nexusdigital.co and check out our resource section, our blog, or visit us on any of our social channels. Give us some feedback. Let us know what you're looking for in terms of help or assistance or guides or tutorials moving forward. Thanks a lot and have a good day.